Before kissing a boy for the first time, wait for a moment when you're both feeling relaxed and comfortable together. If there's a natural pause in the conversation and the moment feels right, lock eyes with him and lean in close. If you're not sure how he'll react to a kiss on the lips, try kissing him on the cheek first and see if he seems into it. You can also say something like, "I'd love to kiss you right now," or, "Is it okay if I give you a kiss?" If he's okay with it, move your face close to his. Close your eyes and tilt your head slightly to one side so your nose doesn't bump into his. Keep your mouth relaxed and gently touch your lips to his. If he seems to be enjoying what you're doing, try applying a bit more pressure or going in for a more intense kiss, such as a French kiss. It's okay to experiment with using your tongue or even lightly nibbling his lower lip with your teeth if he's into it. But be careful and take it slow until you know what he's comfortable with. You can also explore kissing other places besides his lips. For example, try kissing him on the forehead, cheeks, or jaw. If you really want to turn up the heat, give him some light kisses on the neck, ears, or collarbone. A truly romantic or steamy kiss involves more than just your lips, so don't forget to use your hands too. For instance, try stroking his hair, wrapping your arms around his neck, or gently caressing his back and shoulders as you make out. If you're not sure what he likes, or if there's something you want him to do differently, you can always ask.